So today we are doing acne scarring treatment for my lovely client, and we are combining a couple of treatments for her: microneedling, neogen, subcision, TCA peel, and that's how we do all our acne scarring treatments. Some people are falsely advertising that one treatment can help with the scarring, but that's not correct. You need multiple approaches to help with the acne scarring, and there are multiple types of acne scars. You can have Boxcars, you can have Icepick scars, rolling scars. So every scar needs a different technique to really see the difference. And I always say it's gonna be 4 to 6 month program for acne scarring. It's not just you have one treatment and that's enough. That's not true. And you need to leave at least a couple of weeks in between each treatment for the skin to heal. My client already had a couple of sessions, and she's seeing results already, which I'm really pleased about. She's still got a couple of more sessions with us to go through before the final before and after results, and I will definitely share that with you guys. The final results and improvement in scarring. If you have acne scarring or severe acne, or know someone who's got scarring, please get in touch with us. We'll do a consultation and skin analysis for you. We'll make a plan for you to see how we can help, and we'll be very realistic about it. If we can help you, we'll let you know. If we can't help you, we'll let you know where you can get help from.